Hello, dear friends. Today we want to discuss on this scenery. Everyone, you can see that there is a field which is covered by grasses. Okay, and this grasses looks like very soft and vibrant. And these soft and clean grasses make the scenery more attractive. In the middle of the scenery, we can see some trees standing in different places, and behind the trees we can see a lake blue water, and the blue water reflects the view of sky. We see can that the sky is more beautiful. The sky shows a blue and white combination view, and in the background there are mountains, and the mountains are covered by greenery, and the different shapes of the mountain make the scenery more attractive and impressive. So overall, this is a beautiful landscape and beautiful natural view. Best of luck for everyone. Hear more and learn more. Thank you.